All right, so we're back. And of course, we've been keeping an eye on AIagentstore.ai, and we found something pretty interesting.
Yeah, for sure. This one kind of jumped out at us. It's called Tidio.
Uh-huh.
And we thought it would be really valuable to kind of do a deep dive into Tidio and really, I guess, figure out, what it is, who it's for and how it can really help, businesses or individuals.
Yeah, and how can it change the game a little bit
Exactly.
for,
Very.
our listeners out there?
Yep.
Okay, so Tidio, it's described on the site as an AI-powered customer experience platform.
Mm-hmm.
What does that mean exactly?
So essentially, it's a platform that's built to enhance how businesses connect with their customers.
Okay.
So it kind of brings together all these different aspects of customer experience.
Gotcha.
And puts it all in one place. And the core components of this platform are live chat,
Okay.
AI chatbots, and multi-channel communication.
Okay.
And all this is geared towards providing a really smooth customer service experience.
Mm-hmm.
And importantly, it's designed to help businesses increase their sales.
Nice. And actually, I should mention that it has a perfect 5 out of 5 rating on the AI Agent Store.
Oh, wow. Yeah, so that's definitely something to note.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, that's a really good sign.
Yeah. So who would find Tidio the most useful?
Yeah, that's a great question. So, we were thinking about that, and really anyone who's involved in customer interactions or, sales or marketing could really benefit from Tidio.
Okay.
So specifically, we're talking about customer support agents,
Yeah.
the people on the front lines answering those questions,
Right.
Sales professionals who need to engage with potential customers,
Makes sense.
e-commerce managers,
Sure.
marketing teams, and of course, small business owners who are wearing all the hats,
Right.
trying to manage everything themselves.
Definitely. And what can this thing do?
Yeah, so that's the exciting part.
Mm.
Tidio, it really integrates a bunch of different features in a really compelling way.
Okay.
So it combines live chat, which we mentioned before, with AI chatbots. And specifically, they have a chatbot called Lyro.
Oh.
And then it also incorporates multi-channel tools that let you manage interactions across your website, email, messenger, Instagram.
So it kind of brings it all together.
Exactly. It centralizes all of your customer communication.
Yeah. That seems super valuable, especially in, today's world.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. So you mentioned Lyro, the AI chatbot.
Yes.
Tell me about that. What makes Lyro so effective?
So Lyro is really interesting because it uses natural language processing and some pretty advanced AI models
Wow.
to understand and respond to customer inquiries in a very natural way.
Okay.
And according to Tidio, Lyro can actually resolve up to 70% of customer inquiries automatically without any human intervention.
That's a huge amount.
It is. It's a significant number. And think about the efficiency gains there. You free up your team to focus on those more complex issues.
Right. So what kind of things can Lyro handle?
Yeah, so Lyra is really good at those routine tasks,
Hmm.
Things like providing order status updates, creating support tickets automatically,
Gotcha.
and even recommending products to customers based on their previous interactions.
So it can kind of guide the sales process a little bit.
Exactly. It can personalize those interactions and, help nudge people towards a purchase.
Interesting.
Yeah.
So aside from the chatbot, what other capabilities does Tidio offer?
Yeah, so beyond Lyro, there are a few other really neat features. So Tidio gives you real-time visitor monitoring.
Okay.
So you can see who's on your website right now, what they're looking at.
That's cool.
Yeah, so you can kind of proactively engage with potential customers.
Gotcha.
They also have customizable chat widgets. So
Okay.
you can match the look and feel of your brand.
Mm-hmm.
And really importantly, Tidio integrates seamlessly with popular e-commerce platforms and CRM systems.
Okay.
So it really fits into your existing workflows.
Nice. So it seems like they really thought about, how this would work in the real world.
Yeah, absolutely. It's designed to be practical.
Yeah. Now, on AIagentstore.ai, it gives Tidio an autonomy rating of 88%.
Yeah.
What does that mean exactly? How autonomous is this thing really?
Yeah, so that's a good question. That high autonomy score really reflects Tidio's ability to handle a large portion of customer interactions on its own
Okay.
across multiple channels.
Wow.
It can learn from your existing support content, like FAQs and knowledge bases.
Yep.
And it maintains context within conversation, so it's not starting from scratch each time.
So it can carry on a conversation.
Exactly. It can remember what you talked about before.
That's pretty impressive.
Yeah, it's pretty sophisticated.
But it's not fully autonomous, right?
That's right. It's not a set it and forget it solution.
Okay.
While it's highly capable, it still relies on the information and the knowledge that you provide it.
Mm-hmm.
And for those more complex situations or, unusual inquiries that fall outside its training, human intervention might still be necessary.
Gotcha. So it knows when to get a human involved.
Exactly. It's designed to escalate when needed.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
So if a business were to implement Tidio, what are some ways they would use it?
Yeah, so you'd see businesses using Tidio for things like providing real-time customer support through live chat on their websites.
Hmm.
They'd be using it to automate responses to frequently asked questions with those AI chatbots,
Yeah.
and also as a central hub for managing all of their customer communications across different channels.
So streamline everything.
Exactly, make it all much more efficient.
Yeah.
Ultimately, it's about improving customer satisfaction through faster, more personalized interactions.
Right.
And, for e-commerce businesses, it's about creating a smoother path to purchase.
Yeah, and I'm just looking at the AI agent store here, and it says that Tidio is highly popular.
Mm,
And the key industries that it serves are customer service, e-commerce marketing, and sales.
right.
And some of the tags they use are customer experience platform, live, chat, AI chatbots.
So it really seems like it's hitting all those key areas,
Yeah.
those industries that are so focused on those customer interactions.
Exactly.
And providing that smooth experience.
Right.
So overall, it seems like Tidio is, a really well-regarded AI agent that's specifically focused on making customer service better. And it provides those tools that can really have a direct impact on sales growth
Yeah.
through automation and all those integrations.
It's really interesting to think about how much AI like this is changing the way we interact with customers.
Yeah.
You almost wonder what the future holds for, human customer service professionals with AI like this becoming so prevalent.
Absolutely. It's definitely something to think about.
It is. And if you want to learn more about Tidio or you want to explore other AI-powered tools, you can check out aiagentstore.ai.
Yeah, head over to aiagentstore.ai. There's a ton of great stuff on there.
Thanks for listening, everybody.
Thanks for joining us.